Okay, we are live, hopefully. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Yagnik, welcome. Ashok, welcome. Everyone, welcome. Can you check and see if YouTube is working, please? This is the YouTube, yeah. If you can check the YouTube is working. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 3. Okay, welcome. Okay. Okay. I don't know. Today I was getting like some error messages. We got a storm going now. Very high winds outside. Very high winds outside today since last night. So baby care nation. Okay, somebody asking questions. We give everyone 5 minutes. Okay. Ari. Okay. Yeah. So everyone okay? Everyone fine today? And remember we said 6 and 7 we have to be careful on the market, yeah? Anything is okay, 95, okay. 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 We give about say 3-4 minutes and then start. Anyone wants to say anything, talk or anything, you can ask to Mankubastam. CL is somebody new, okay. CL might be Seagoil, okay. Voice everything clear? Okay, good. Abdul Rashid, welcome. Rashish. Okay. So, shall we, anyone, any questions after I can shout as well? Yesterday was quite a market. It was nice. Okay. So, shall we start? Also one thing, needless to say, that look, like a disclaimer or whatever, nah? Everything I tell you and everything, okay, I personally take trades as well. That is me personally. But everything is not an invitation for you to trade. You have to judge for yourself, is it right for you? Nah? Because I don't know what size your accounts are or anything. And this way, hopefully, you can learn better as well, yeah? Okay? Because, sometimes we like apples and oranges, but we might be allergic to them. Same with the markets. I might trade oil. Oh no, I'm not having any. Who's trying to ring me on Telegram now? In fact, I'm going to switch off the Telegram. Last thing we need is ding dongs happening while we are in Telegram, yeah? Okay, so let's start. Without further ado, we try and go through the list and things and see what is happening about near us, yeah? The main today will be the American market as always, yeah? And when S&P opens at 2:30. And yes, idea as well, I was thinking, planning to do this way. Say your Indian time, IST time, midday, 12:30, if I do the morning session, yeah? And then what I'm planning to do is in the night, your Indian time around maybe 9 o'clock IST, I do a small half an hour one. So you are ready for the market the next day. And then morning we update. What do you think of that idea? Any good? Yeah. So, okay, let us start with this one. Yeah. Okay. S&P 500. Again, without saying, when you see the levels, put the lines in the middle. Yeah. But now S&P, we need to see what it does today. Yeah. This is the roundy. And at the bottom here, we need to watch the 442 area. If that cracks badly down, we can go much lower. So you need to be aware of this, okay? I'm not saying it's going to get there, but just to keep in mind in case it does, yeah? So we need to watch that because there's fresh air below. But here at the moment, nothing to do. We need to wait a bit, yeah? But from yesterday, we can see overnight we have popped up around 20 handles, yeah? So now we wait and see what they do in the right time. But today they might try and do even a dead cat bounce and down, but we see it's uncertain, yeah? So we need to wait and see, yeah? We need to see, wait and see. It's a waiting game, unfortunately, yeah? Okay. Thank you very much, Pradeep. Thank you. Okay. Let's start again. Thank you. Now you can see my screen, yeah? I knew I hadn't done something. It's called old age, yeah? So, as I said, first thing you do is draw the lines in between. Yeah? Zarat, welcome. And I said at the bottom, we need to be aware of this number 4424 area. I'm not saying it's going to get there, but if it goes down and cracks the 4420, there's fresh air below. We can go much lower, yeah. But today I would envisage a pop and see if we test the roundy at least, and then we see what is happening here, yeah. The main thing will be after the US Open at 2:30 p.m. UK, which is the 09:30 a.m. ET, yeah. But it's a mixed picture at the moment. In the night, we have popped up, we can say Globex 20 handles or whatever, yeah. So is that the dead cat bounce? We don't know yet, yeah. We wait and see in the real time what happens, because real time is more important than the overnight session. Is called Globex, yeah. They call it Globex, and there's another name, not by me, but it's called Bubex as well, yeah. Nothing to do with what you are thinking, okay. Salam Tamba, salam, walaikum salam. Clear on that one? Dow will be similar, same story as the other one. And remember yesterday when I was talking to the Templars and we said 300 is important, yeah? We are nearly there. You see, 7 times 7, what do you get? Question mark. And what is the date today? The 7th as well. And another thing to keep in mind is 14th we have full moon in Libra. Okay, and planet-wise we got Neptune as well, about Neptune. So we have a cluster between now and that date. We need to watch oil a bit carefully. And we got Uranus about as well. So technology stuffs as well need to watch, okay? Bit of astrology for you as well. So there you are. Okay. Nasdaq. Same thing, all at LOC. We wait and see how the Americans open up, yeah? What is our Nifty fellow doing? Okay, come up till near MOB and popping down a bit, okay? So same thing again, need to watch this area as a base. If it comes, and then need to watch this 786 area, yeah? Okay. Anyone, any questions? I'm trying to read all the questions. Navin, you're on the Nifty chart. You're on the Nifty chart. There is your Nifty. Yeah. So waiting game. Let's see what happens in the American. DAXI, what are we doing with DAXI? Okay. It's done a pop as well to LOC and down. Wait and see. MOB need to watch carefully, okay? MOB carefully. But real time American, I do expect a pop, yeah? So let's see. FTSE as well, just marking time at LOC. Unfortunately, everything is slow. CAC, Frenchy. Not everyone trades it, but it's same LOC. Oil. I don't know, it was a weird day yesterday. Not weird, I had distractions, you know. I told you I was looking for a pop to short and MOB area to short, and I missed it. Yeah, I wasn't about. But anyway, you can see like we went from this 103, 104 area to nearly 96 area, yeah? So now we need to wait and see what that does. And today at 4:30, we have what you call 4 o'clock, I think. EIA Natgas, yeah? 4 o'clock UK time, Natgas. So you need to watch that. It's just going sideways, so let's see what they do later. But I do expect a dead cat bounce in it as well. Might pop down and then up, and then we see down, yeah? Brent will be same story, yeah? Same again. Okay. Boring markets. Gold, same levels, what I told you yesterday. Same the World War. We said 1945. 1939 to 45, we had said. 1929. 1914 to 1918. 1908. And sorry, 1904 to 1908, yeah. So maybe we pop a bit and then come down. Okay, so you should be looking to short the rallies in gold, okay? So it's short the rallies. That's what I usually write it as, yeah? STR. But here it's slow. Let's see where the speed pick up a bit, yeah? And really you can say we're going nowhere. But it's tradable action because there's enough move in here to get something out of it. Okay. Ashmal, did you miss the daily level session? So maybe you need to do that with me. So we'll arrange and do that. Yeah, maybe a few of you who have missed, then we can do that again. Okay. Silver, same thing. I'm short in silver from yesterday a bit, yeah? As I posted in Discord, I'm short and I'm happy to hold it, yeah? So again, pop to drop. And don't forget, full moon is related to silver, okay? Moon is ruler for silver. Atomic weight of silver is 108. The radius of the moon is 1080 as well, yeah? Okay. Everyone okay so far? Any questions or anything? Naveen, I put the Nifty cash daily levels for you already in the learning session. Yeah. Euro yesterday we had said for a buy. We done that. Then we came down, we got the buy. Now we're coming down. It's trying to pop up a bit, yeah? So you need to watch. So again, it will base and try to pop a bit, yeah? We need to watch this area. And if euro is going up, remember we say USD CHF has to come down, yeah? Because it came down, so it will be the opposite on the USD CHF. Yeah, it's trying to pop down. So this way you can take two trades in one go. If you buy euro, you sell the USD CHF at the same time. And in a way, okay, I don't say indicators, but that is your live indicator. You can, even if you don't trade USD CHF, you can use it as a guide, like a real-time indicator to weave in and out of the euro, yeah, or to lock in your position and things, yeah. Cable, we had said, was a pop as well. Yes, it done the pop. Now we are at MOB. Need to watch it a bit. But bias is down, but you need to watch this area for a pop-up again, yeah? Okay. Okay. AUDUSD, fuck. FAQ, okay. Now, need to watch it a bit, yeah? But if it gets around this zone, then look to see for a retrace up. Or if it holds here, then a little up, yeah? But the movement is slow. Movement is slow. Is there any economic data today? Guys, I haven't looked. Yeah. This is Kiwi, similar situation as well. Reza, welcome. Euro JP, we had said yesterday, sell a little bit. Yes, we got the sell. Now it's down as well. Need to wait where it bases. Yeah, it's still pointing down. Yeah. MOB, look, touch the MOB and you can see when I posted the daily levels where we were and where we are now. So if you acted on the MOB, not breaking MOB, the V shape, it has given you, like, I think about maybe 40, 1,535, 20, 134, 70, about 50 pips. Yeah, it's not bad. GBP yen, same thing, can't break, say, again, 162, about 40 points. Yeah, 40, 50 points there. This is sideways. This is sideways at the moment. USD JP, yeah. AUD JP, nope. Trickling down. Falling knife. USD CAD, what are we doing? Okay, USD CAD. Need to watch the C1 area. If it breaks through, then you need to draw a line here, see if it comes around here. Then you can look for a sell, yeah? But here, nothing to do. Nothing to do at the moment. Sorry about that, because I can't control the market, you know. Krishna, I think, asked for I think he's the only one trading INR, you know. Nah, slow and sideways, slow and sideways, slow and sideways, slow and sideways. Euro GBP. I don't know, it's slow today. My mouse sticks and then after a while it refreshes. F2, let's see if we can get to around MOB, yeah, or LOC. Euro GBP, Euro AUD, what is it doing? Okay. Nope, nothing to do here as well. NZD CHF. Nope, downer. Need to watch as well. Unfortunately, there's nothing juicy about. I don't know, it's taking a while to refresh, yeah? Internet may be slow playing up or whatever with the... We've got a bit of a storm here, yeah? There's like gale force winds outside, yeah? Gale force winds outside. Must have caused quite a lot of damage last night. MOB trickling down. Again, no juice. It's like the crooks are waiting. And remember, we said 6th and the 7th, we need to be careful in the markets. Yeah. So it's like a forewarning. A lot of cycle that's coming in. This is weird stuff today. Taking a while to load up. Euro NZD pops up for a sell, but it is a sell. It is a sell, yeah? Very slow. GBP NZD. Wow. We need to reboot the computer after. Here's watching as well. But if it doesn't big C2, then we can have a retrace down, yeah? AUD card, what are we doing? Wow, it's right at the bottom as well. Need to wait and watch. With bases, then try for LOC or middle area, yeah? We need to watch. Because these ones, AUD and GBP, NZD, GBP, AUD, when they move like crazy, huh? So need to be aware of that. Any questions? Oh, Cashmore, okay. We can arrange and do it so when you are free. Okay, nothing to do here as well. Trying to see if anything juicy turns up, then I can tell you. But seems like it's not our day so far. It's beginning of the day. Is there any significant data today? Here as well, sideways and down, but holding need F2 to hold, otherwise wait and see. CAD usually moves quite crazy as well. Let's see. Wow, this is weird today. Like, doesn't refresh straight away. Okay. Okay, this one you need to go fishing for a short, yeah? But no, you don't need to go fishing for a short. The chart isn't refreshed, yeah? F2 need to wait. Base, keep this idea in mind. If it holds, then you can try to do something, but the bias is down because it's down, pop up down, then maybe down more. GBP AUD. Wow, it's taking a while to load, huh? This is weird. Copy my net because I've got very fast, what you call broadband or whatever have you, yeah? Anyway, maybe the storm playing up things. Keep an idea the C2 and the middle area. If it holds, then you can do for a retrace, yeah? And obviously, remember, I told you all, like a hack or trick or whatever is this one as well. C2 area holds, then retrace down, yeah? GBP CAD, yeah? And to find the V shape and whatever we said, use the line chart, yeah? Okay, C2 came straight down, need to watch. Does it have momentum? And need to watch the MOB area. Does it stop? Then it can ping up a bit, otherwise down, yeah? What is Mr. Coco doing today? Coco is trying to pop up. But I know you guys don't trade commodities, but later, hopefully, you will trade commodities as well. And when they move, they're very nice and fast movers, but size, you need to be careful, yeah? And you're lucky you can trade it on your brokers, but in the futures, it is one contract minimum is big money, okay? So beware of that. Wow. I can have a cup of coffee while this one refreshes. My God, come on, wake up. Wow. This is weird. Okay. Nice range bound as well. Can you see? We are range bound. Yeah. And when we do, the thing, how much of a pull up it done, how much of a pull down does it can do, what is called a wash and rinse. Yeah. So I'll teach you that as well when we do the lessons. Yeah. Wash and rinse and how the foam acts in there and things like that. Yeah. Okay. And where do you look for the big boys and the big girls and things? We'll do all that. Yeah. Yesterday we had said look for a pop in the VIX to sell. It has come down. So now we wait. Again, same thing. Pop up comes around this area. It's a safe sell. Yeah. But keep in mind, VIX moves like crazy and it is small size and big money. Yeah. So beware of that. Beware of that. Mexicano. I think only one guy trades it, Luis. Yeah. Luis Roful. Wow. Wake up. I can have a coffee while it wakes up. My God. What a okay. Hello, Ashok. Okay. See this, you can technical analysis thing. It's a flag, yeah? So you need to see if it doesn't break up, comes back in the flag and down, okay? And look, you can have also, you can just thinking aloud, yeah, for all you guys is you can put like this, say, you can say is your trend, yeah? I'm rubbish at drawing. And you got the triangle as well. Yeah. So if the letter F breaks and you got your range as well, you can put a middle line in the middle as well and use it for a downer. Okay. And remember we said a trend, you will trend up, then you look for the transition phase. If you get a transition phase, then you say, okay, I'm awake, I'm active. Then bend and end and down. Okay. Whoa, what is happening here? Okay, good. Euro CHF. Wow, it takes a while to refresh, This is weird. Technology at its crap, basically. Letter M. Nope. Sticking down it towards this area here. Well, you can see the letter M, can't you? Yeah? Roughly, letter M. M comes here. So you need to watch this area if it gets here. And also see, between LOC and that is roughly like the middle line as well. That's why I say always draw the middle line, yeah? You know what I always joke about, Impossible we can do straight away. Miracles take a little longer. If the market is not giving us setup, what can we do? Wow, it takes a while to refresh, huh? Okay. Nice low as well. And other thing to remember is, when people see like this down, they say the trend is down, yeah? And they want to hit it down. And then this guy is seeing the trend as up and they want to buy. But always look at a reference point here because these guys here might be strong. And while they're letting them come up a little bit for better value to load in, yeah? So always keep that in mind as to what is the seller doing and what is the buyer doing, yeah? Because most guys, when they see this, they say, yes, it's a sell. Then they see this and they start to buy. But this guy is more stronger, for example. You need to look at the reference point as to what happens when it gets near there, you see? Yeah? And again, look, middle line. Wow, this is weird stuff. I think after this I will reboot my computer or kick it, you know. Oh, and while this is loading, forget my talwar. You know, yesterday I showed you this, yeah? This big stick. This big stick, yeah? Do you know what it is? Anybody any idea what it is? Write out. Let's see if you are correct. Okay. Yeah, if you guys have a go, and I'll tell you what it is. Actually, it is what you call a Aboriginal Australian musical instruments. What you call a didgeridoo. I have no idea how to play it. A friend of mine gave me as a gift, you know, years ago, and I tried it, you know, couldn't get a sound out of it, and my God, your lungs nearly dead as well. I don't. These guys must have lungs the size of bloody tankers, you know. Okay, same here. F1 need to watch, but slow. I wouldn't recommend it to anybody at the moment. Okay. So once again, with the dollar index, need to keep this area 100 is maybe unless something outward happens. C1 area is a guide for a sell. Now, if the US dollar index is going up, what should we be looking at? Euro going down, yes. Do you know why euro going down, Moots? Any idea? Because US. Perfect answer. Perfect. Because dollar index is made up of a basket of currencies, and euro, everyone thinks like cable is the oldest currency and most traded, but really euro is the most traded and liquid, and it makes up this 55-60% of the basket. Yeah. So if you are looking at the dollar index, you can look at the euro to trade with it. Yeah. Or use it as a guide. Yeah. Use it as a guide to get in and out. Rand. So once again, let's see. Rand is trying to come down. Is gold trying to go up? Yes, gold is trying to go up, which is so weird because, you know, South Africa Rand is gold mines and the whole world is gold mines, and one would think that gold goes up, the Rand goes up, but it's usually the other way around kind of thing. Yeah. Okay, it's popping a little bit at MOB, so we wait and see. Again, we need to watch this area, halfway line as well. If it fizzles out, then you can have a sell in Rand, yeah? But fake is not allowed, is banned from trading the Rand, you know, because he's not allowed to kill his own currency, you know. He's not allowed to kill his own currency. Otherwise, they will cut his passport up in Cape Town, you know. Wow, this is weird, you know. I don't know what's happening to this very stupid PC, you know. Must be because of the storm outside, you know. Okay. Copper, just a brief. Copper is coming down, but you need to watch it. Does it base and come up? In the floor traders, Wall Street from yesteryears, even though many of them don't trade copper, but they call it Dr. Copper. Copper usually signals a trend change earlier than S&P 500. Yeah. So the floor traders trading S&P 500 used to watch copper. When copper started to turn down, they already started to put sells in S&P 500. So many times you will see that the copper marks a 10 CIT change for in advance for S&P 500. Yeah, so something to keep an eye on. Not in books, but like you can call it a flow trader's handbook kind of thing, secret. Yeah. And if obviously copper starts to go up, then if S&P is going down, then you expect it to start to come up again. Wow, platinum way down as well. Okay, so it's weird. Gold is a bit up and platinum is a bit down. Okay, but gold I told you already, na. You size small and you can scale in positions for short-term sell the rallies. Yeah, but the numbers I gave you as well. Don't put a short every $1 and half a dollar. You've seen the gaps that I told you. You have to give it enough breathing space. Yeah, and other thing as well. When I say scaling positions, I call it a ladder. Yeah, I call it a ladder. And usually, max I take is 3 positions, or very rare 4 positions, and never more than that. Yeah. So it is not averaging of the full position. Yeah. It is not averaging of the full position. So say, for example, I bought it here. Then I give it enough breathing space. And when it gets here, I will look to see what the action and reaction is. And then basis the merit of that action reaction, I will add in, say just say 0.01, small cell. Yeah. That's your second position. And then it goes up. The third position, your final one, or the fourth one, third or fourth. Yeah. Third or fourth, again on its own merit, like a separate trade, you add in another position, third one. So then what you need to do is not average. When the third position comes here, you bank it. If it comes up again, you enter again. So you keep on nibbling at it. Say it comes off here and the 2 comes to here, then you ride it and take the bit of it, your target. Yeah. So what you are doing is you're weaving in between and taking what you can. Yeah. Not just holding and averaging the whole position out. Yeah. Okay. Yes, Moots still works. Still works because from what you said, the psychology of people has not changed. Human behavior has not changed. Yeah. Still, those ones in the know-how, the floor traders and all this, whatever, the big wigs and whatever, still the old block. Yeah. Human behavior has not changed. So as an idea, you can look back and see what happens with copper and correlate with S&P, and you will see what I mean. Yeah, you can do that as fun study and post it in your Templar as well if you want. You'll be shocked. You'll be shocked. Okay, nat gas. Okay, we got nat gas oil. Nat gas inventories at 4 o'clock. Yeah. So let's see what it does. We are down a bit at the moment. Expect it to pop and then drop. Yeah. Pop and drop. That's what we're looking for in nat gas. Also, I believe, I'm not sure, is the big wigs in America been, the energy chiefs or whatever, been called to testify in Congress today about rising energy and gas prices because the Americans are complaining about the petrol? Yeah. I think so. Let's see what noises they make. Yeah. At the testimony, that might affect the nat gas, obviously, with the noise. Yeah. But what makes me wonder is, okay, I know we all complain about the petrol and diesel prices. Yeah. We're complaining about the petrol and diesel prices. Say like UK is like about £1.80 per liter, yeah. And everyone is mourning, and like Shell, for example, they've grayed out. There's like going to hell, with the prices of petrol. But on the same token, makes you think. We mourn about this £1.80, which is correct. We mourn. We like to mourn, but yet we go to Starbucks or Costa for a bloody cup of coffee for bloody nearly £5. Makes you wonder, yeah? And we are happy with that. It's beggars belief. And, in the West, you call it Starbucks, yeah? Starbucks. But I've found a good name for a branch, a franchise in India. We can call it Sitarbucks. Okay? So this is my name for Indian coffee, Sitarbucks. Okay? Don't worry, I'm going to find one for Malaysia as well. Sorry, my stupid jokes, Okay. Bitcoin, you can look to buy a little bit, yeah? You can look to buy a little bit, and I'll tell you, you can even take it from here. You can add here a little bit, and this is your target. Around, let's just say 44,000. Okay? Or to make it better, we can say 44144. Okay? There you are. Bitcoin. Well, use size small. But I personally, look, I shorted Bitcoin on the 30th of March, as you saw in Discord, at 47496, I think. Yeah, 47496, yeah. 0.26. I took off 1,697 points, and yesterday I banked. This took half off, and I took a quarter of yesterday with 3,216 points. Yeah, so this trade is still running. Yeah, but I'm telling you, you can, if you want very small size, you can look to buy Bitcoin for a bounce. Okay. Varsha, what can I help you with? Varsha is here. Varsha, please shout to me. Varsha. Tell me. Comment. I told Varsha yesterday not to buy oil, yeah? And not to buy oil. What is Varsha's question? Anyone can find out for me, please? Yes, Nifty hold. Please hold. Please hold. And after giving me yeah, it's fine. Nifty you can hold, yeah? It will give you a bounce. And remember, I said 1.786 and above, you will get that, yeah? But hold with patience and don't keep on adding to it, okay? Hold it with patience, yeah? Is that okay, Varsha? And Varsha, yesterday I waited for you evening time. So if you are free today, then do shout me. Then I teach you how to do the daily level thing as well, huh? Litecoin. Again, Litecoin is the same as Bitcoin. What does Litecoin is going to do? Replicate it as well. So if you want to use that, you can use small sizes, yeah, for a buy. So look, even though I'm not giving you invitation to trade, I'm telling you exactly neck on the line and even a target kind of idea, yeah. Ethereum, same thing, slow but okay. And we are at the middle, so you need to watch, give it a little pullback and then up. What is Ripple doing? Okay. same. Near LOC, need to wait a bit and popper. Okay, so now we come to these ones. Wow, come on, wake up. Okay. Okay, so now we can do this here and we can say this is US 30, which is the Dow, cash, daily levels, yeah, 7th of April, yeah. So these are the Dow cash. You had the future ones, now you got the Dow cash ones, yeah. Okay, this loaded up fast. Wow. Okay. So this is US 500 SPX cash index, yeah. Daily levels, yeah. Daily levels, yeah. So you got all those numbers, yeah. Just for fun, let's see what is Mr. Coffee doing, but it's expiring soon, so need to be careful. And oil as well. Remember, I said next week expires, yeah. So be careful, huh? In oil, in case if your broker liquidates doesn't roll it over automatic or whatever. Coffee we had said for a sell yesterday. It's doing that anyway. But like I said, when I take the coffee trade, I'll tell you, and we need to hold it like a mini swing. But I'll find out exactly when it's expiring and we can do that. Yeah. Okay. So, right. We've done everything. Any questions? Krishna Karkera. Nifty. Yeah. We can look at Nifty again. Book. Yeah. MOB down, F1 held. Need to watch the MOB, crack that, and need to watch this area here at the top. And then you need to see when to get out, yeah? But I do expect a bounce, yeah? Naveen, even if it is futures, the difference in price movement, the number of points moved between what you call futures and the cash, the number of point move will be the same. If the futures move 50 points, the cash will move 50 points as well. Yeah, just the number might be a little bit different. But I've given already the, what you call the cash daily levels already in the learning, what you call cash, bank nifty, all of them. I think, in fact, I think about 8 or 10 stocks as well, everyone asked, yeah? And saying that as well, what I want you guys to do is concentrate on your top 50 shares. If you are trading stocks, top 50, yeah, not the little tiny ones, top 50 bellwethers, and I'm going to do the daily levels for them every day. And from that list, you can give me which you mainly trade, so I make sure you have that as priority. The rest of them will be there just for learning. Yeah. Okay. So I've started working on that. In fact, Ravi Bhai made the watch list for me yesterday, and I'll get it all working now, slowly but surely. Yeah. Anyone? Any questions? Anything? Yes, I know. Javed, yes, she's long in Nifty, and she was underwater yesterday when she came first time. And I told her the levels to watch. And Daksha is asking, can I buy crude? No, don't buy crude yet. We need to wait afternoon for the EIA Natgas, yeah? Subha, welcome. Anyone? Any questions? Anything? Javed, she was long in Nifty before she came now, so I will help sister get out of it, weave in and out. And the main thing is, like I told her, don't keep adding to it, and sit down and patience, and take a bit of heat, and then come out in green. Yeah, then smell of perfumes. Yeah. Anyone? Any questions? Anything? Anyone want to come on voice? By the way. In fact, what I will do is, look, I'm going to put everyone on voice if you want to say anything. Can't get more fair than that, but don't all scream at once. Everyone talk one by one if you want.
Why can we do gold one more time?
Sorry?
Can we do gold one more time?
Gold, yeah, who is that?
Spike.
Spike. Okay, yes, I recognize the accent. Okay. Gold, same, remember the World War numbers I had said, yeah?
Yeah.
1945, keep that in mind, okay, in case there's a massive spike. Okay, and then keep in mind 1939 to 45, we had said, yeah? Then you keep 1929.
Depression till 35.
Yeah.
No, World Wars. You know, if
Yeah.
you take World War I, World War II, now I hope with Ukraine we don't get this, no chance. They're not that stupid, you know. They're not that stupid, yeah. Then we got this first one, 1914 to 1918, yeah. And then we got the Boer War, 1904, 1908, yeah.
Yeah.
And of course, we got the round number 1900, yeah. If it gets below 1900, it can go much lower, yeah. So what we are saying is, if it gets this area, watch for a cell, yeah. Just putting
The policeman.
Yeah, policeman, you see, there is your policeman as well. And look for a small cell. And like I said, you can do a ladder. So if you put in 0.01 cell, small one, yeah, it's not going to hurt you. Then you don't just add to it straight away. Wait when it gets to here and see what the action is. And then you can look to sell on its merit, second position. And if it spikes above, then you look for the third and final position, 1945 and above, yeah? So what you do then is you go 3 positions, third, 2, 1, but you are not averaging the position, yeah? You're not averaging, yeah? So like I usually say, there's, I like to call it as Miyagi-san, yeah? Miyagi-san from Karate Kid, you know, wax on, wax off. Wax on, wax off, yeah?
Yeah.
So what you do is, when the third position comes to 2, you take it out, bank it. Because if it comes back up again to 3, you add in again. So you keep on taking money from them as many times. But say you take it off, the second one comes to 1, you take it off. Again, if it comes to 2, add it back in again, yeah? And then the first position goes down, then you go with it. So you just weave with it like wax on, wax off, wax on, wax off, wax on, wax off. That's it. Simple.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello, Uncle. Krishna here. Hello, Uncle.
Yeah, I'm listening to you.
Can you show Nifty in a shorter time frame? Because when we were in the live session, the market has fallen down. Little smaller time frame when we were speaking.
That's fine. That's fine.
Yeah.
Look, see, it hasn't broken F1 yet, or F2,
Yeah.
so you're fine. So what it will do is, you see, when I teach you pull that thing, yeah? This is your range, yes? Yeah?
Yes.
This is
Yes,
your
Uncle.
This is your middle line, yeah? Of, you can call it the average line of your range.
Okay.
The pullback was shallow, small, yeah?
Okay.
If the pullback is small, the pull down will be more.
Okay. Okay.
that. It will do that, and then it will do. Okay.
Okay.
It's a pattern. We call it as wash and rinse.
Yeah.
Because what happens is when it is here,
Okay.
everyone is sleeping. Yeah.
Okay.
Because we say it's boring. When it makes a move, up, everyone is thinking break out and break down.
Okay.
When
Total
it,
trader kind of.
yeah, no, it's just technical analysis.
Okay. Okay.
Everyone says it's a breakout and say, look, it's going up. So
Hmm.
they buy it at the top here. And what
Okay.
happens is, because it's a shallow pull out,
Hmm.
it does a dropper. So that
Okay. Okay.
comes here. And then when he breaks this down, and they all say, oh my God, it's going down to hell, yeah? And they
Hmm.
break down. So
Okay.
they sell them up. Yeah?
Okay.
And what happens? It will give them a little bit of profit or not, and then zunk up and again. So they made a loss here, and then it goes the direction it's supposed to go.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Easy?
Yeah, uncle. Thank you so much.
Easy, yeah?
Because today is a weekly expiry also.
Huh.
Because in India they have weekly expiry. So
Okay.
the movement is very fast. Like when we were having a session, it was above 806 your point, and
Yeah.
then it fall down. And somebody wrote in this that she is holding Nifty. I thought she is holding right now.
No. She's been
Right?
holding. I don't know how long she's has been holding, but she came to the room yesterday, first time, yeah, and I
Okay.
told her not to panic and to hold it in patience, yeah. So I will help her to come out of it, inshallah, in profit as well. But
What is your target, uncle? Can you tell Nifty
I
this
was,
month?
I don't know, I haven't looked at it that carefully, but
Okay.
to get about this one, remember I said 786 yesterday. If you get
Yeah.
about that, then this pattern, we can say roughly this 18,000 mark we will touch and see plus and minus.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, uncle. Thank you, uncle.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
But you can
Thank you.
see, look, MOB held and sunk down. Yeah. So
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
you can see
Yeah.
how
Yeah.
it works. But like I said, sister has been
Yeah.
holding it, I don't know how long now. So, but I will find out. I'll do that.
Okay. Thank you, uncle.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Anybody, any question, anything else? Oh, Muts, nobody. We will do that. We will do that. I'll do the trend and everything in detail. So we will go through this pressure cooker, as I call it, how it works. Yeah, the pressure cooker. This just like little things has come. I just showing. So in like real time, you see something now. Anyone, any questions now? No one. No one. Any questions? And what do you think of this idea that hopefully, from next week, because we are Thursday now, so from next week, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the morning session like we do, but your India time midday or 12:30, yeah? So everyone is there.
What time will it be in Abu Dhabi?
Abu Dhabi, so UK time is, say, 10 o'clock now. What time is in Abu Dhabi?
It's almost 1 o'clock
Okay, so you are
in the afternoon.
You're 4
3
hours.
hours. Yeah.
3 hours, yeah. So 12 o'clock will be 3 o'clock your time, yeah?
Okay.
Yeah. So we'll do that. And then what I'm planning to do is in the night, India time will be 9 o'clock. So UK time will be 4 o'clock, yeah? 4:30. And so your Abu Dhabi time will be 7:30 in the evening. So we will do a small session of half an hour, 45 minutes for getting ready for the markets the next morning.
Okay.
So you have two, one big one for the morning,
Yeah.
and evening one, a small one, as to update as to what we are looking for the next day. Yeah. So
Okay.
so you don't have, when you wake up in the morning, no guessing. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so everybody, so shall we say,
See you later.
and
Thank you,
today,
uncle. Thank you. Thank you so much.
and
Shukran,
like,
bye.
and like I said from yesterday, 6th and the 7th, we need to be careful in the markets. It's cycle points, and also, my God, date is the 7th of April as well. And 14th, we got the full moon, so we need to be careful as well. Yeah, and 7 days apart.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll say Allah Hafiz.
Thank you, uncle. Thank you so much.
Insha Bukra.
Shukran, bye.
It off. Okay. Jumpa lagi
Okay.
for Quds as well. And bye, everybody. Yeah. Bye.
Thank
Okay,
you so
bye.
much,
Bye.
uncle. Thank you.
Bye.
God bless you.
Bye.
God bless
Thank
you.
you.
Okay. And whoop, cancel and broadcast and okay.